Wauwatosa students are back in the classroom 1 month earlier than first planned. Ben Jordan explains the key factors behind this decision.
Today marks the first day in about a year. Students at Wauwatosa East will be learning in classrooms 5 days a week. This comes after parents shared frustrations that 1 in 5 students failed at least one class last semester while learning from home 60% of the time. Wauwatosa middle and high school students are joining elementary schools today and returning to classrooms full time. Wauwatosa East Junior Ladarius Jones was surprised by how quickly the district's plans changed.
It's just a lot of people are still on the edge with it. We feel like we weren't asked on how we felt about it.
Wauwatosa middle and high school students had been utilizing a hybrid learning model up until Tuesday, with 2 days a week in the classroom and 3 days learning from home. Kevin Michael is the father of 4 Wauwatosa students. 2 weeks ago, he brought his concerns about virtual learning to President Biden at a town hall event in Milwaukee.
What is the plan and recommendation to get students back into the brick and mortar buildings?
Kevin says he's ecstatic his kids will no longer have to learn through a computer screen.
To have them back in school 5 days a week, learning with their peers and having that socialization, I think is really important to me. And I know it's important to the president as well. And he definitely was put a feather in my cap and said, yeah, let's get these kids back.
Some parents say their students were struggling with distance learning. District data shows 18% of middle and high school students failed a class last semester. That's nearly twice the amount compared to a year prior.
But I can definitely see how kids are just falling behind, not because they choose to, just because it is.
Waukesha parent Joseph Lyman says the problem is even worse at high schools in his district, where 28% of students failed at least one class under the hybrid learning model.
It is time to tear down the facade that the school district is faring far better than it actually is.
Back in Wauwatosa, district leaders believe it is now safe to return to full-time in-person instruction. The district's COVID-19 dashboard shows less than 5 students and 0 staff members have confirmed cases. Wauwatosa students will be required to wear masks, wash their hands, and follow social distancing protocols. The district says it just updated its HVAC systems to keep students and staff safe as well. Reporting outside Wauwatosa East High School, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.